Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook unknown error. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook unknown error, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. After that you will enter to storage, and then in this page you will go to click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.